All right, guys, so it is an absolutely gorgeous day, and I want to say thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. In a minute, we're going to kickstart the Charger and head out to a meet. I know there's a couple of Durango Hellcats that are going to be showing up, and I kind of want to see them in person. Now, I want to show you guys something really cool, and that's a wide-body Durango. Now, I haven't heard anything official from Dodge that a Durango widebody is going to be an option, nor have I seen any kind of legitimate kit that you could put on a Durango. I think it looks absolutely great. The wider stance, it gives it a more menacing look. I personally love the widebody in both the Charger and the Challenger, and I think it would be a pretty wise move on their part to, you know, offer a wide body SRT Durango. Let me know what your thoughts are. So in the meantime, we're going to get a cold start here and get going. So I got a Jet, unfortunately. I know more cars are going to be showing up. As you guys saw, there was a couple of Durango Hellcats, some nice Mopars in there, Scat Packs and whatnot. You know, I got to go do some adulting things today. So, you know, that was my morning. Hopefully you guys have an amazing day today. We got a couple of the Mopars hanging out here. I parked out here because I knew I was going to have to scram after like an hour or so. But guys, with that being said, I will check you on the next upload. I want to thank you guys for always having my back, supporting the channel, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.